So today we're going to make something, so watch the video. Mommy, I'm hungry. What do you want, sweetie? I want an A to C sandwich. Can you please do it for me? Pretty please. Okay. Yay, thank you, Mommy. You're the best. Let's go. I'm gonna go play. Or eat a cake. No cake. Just gonna read my book. Okay, good job, sweet. Gotta go grocery shopping. What's wrong, honey? Nothing, Maria just wants an A to C sandwich. Don't you think that's a lot? Yeah, I also know that. But she really wants it. We'll see about that. Okay, no need to act so strange. I'll just see about that. Just give me a moment. How am I gonna drive? I don't know how. How am I going to go? It might be a million miles. Oh, no. Let me tell you the ingredients. Let me just go get my... Okay, here it is. So what is it? So it is apple, barbecue chicken, cheese, donut, egg, fish, grapes, hot sauce, Italian pasta, chicken, jelly, kale, lemon, mortadella, nerds means the candies, orange, pickles, quiche, I think, rice, salt, tomato, unsalted butter, vinegar means W for white bread, X for nothing, X, I don't know, and yogurt for Y and Z. Yeah, that's it. Give me that. I'll just prepare the ones that I have, okay? Just gonna get the ones that are not. Let's get started. Let me just write it down. Where's my pencil or pen or, whatever of those things called? Yeah, marker. So, I need a donut, grapes, hot sauce, orange, quiche, lemon, jelly, and mortadella. Vinegar. Yeah, that's it, hon. Okay, thanks, hon. Now, let's just wait. I'm gonna put this all in the fridge, since we have to wait. Oops. How are you guys? I'm good, Mommy. That's good. This is so funny. What is so funny, dear? I cannot tell. little bit overboard. I think so. Okay, I'm gonna put that there. Do you need some help? I gotta go. Bye, hon! Daddy, you forgot to kiss me. Oh, yeah, right. Let me just... Love you, Dad. Love you, Daddy. So funny. Okay, so I'm gonna be back, okay? Okay, bye. Be good with Mom, okay? Wait. No, this one. And lock the door. Okay, time to go. So, first we will need... We need a donut. And donuts are moving here. And plus, wait. Okay. I'm finally here. Okay, what do we need? We need a hot sauce, right? Okay, great. Excuse me, sir. Yeah, what would I do for you, mate? I'm not Australian, sir. It's fine, mate. You want some hot sauce? Can I have the whole bottle, please? Yeah, sure. I already made all my soups and everything. Okay. Have a really great day. You too, mate. Okay, then that was done. Let me just tick it off my list. Okay, so hot sauce is check. Okay, what did I need? A lemon. Yes, I did need a lemon. Check. Oh, there's a line. Is that all? What did I need? I needed mortadella, yes. An orange. Oops. Can I have? Yeah. It's fine. Just take that. Okay then. Okay, I'll give that to somebody else. Just I have somebody in my driver's seat. Yeah. Okay, so I think that's all. You can get something else if you want. Like for free? Yeah, for free. Okay then. I will really need some baguette. One baguette and strawberry milk. Chocolate orange. $10. Oh, yeah, I can get one. And this cash. Oh, a ball. Yeah, I don't need a ball. Do you need anything else? Can I get those type of potato chips maybe? Yeah. And also a magazine. That is for free. Okay then. Okay. Wait a second. I'm checking my list. Wait, where's my list? Okay, it's fine. Oh, okay. It's fine. I'll just take these. And 1 box of cereal then. And yeah, that's it. You sure? Yeah, I'll take like one of these maybe. Both of them. Okay. Take that. Thanks. Welcome. Okay, I found the things that I need. No. I need this and this. Hi, honey. What happened? Why are you like this? I'm exhausted. Look what I'm carrying. Give me water. Okay. Give me the water. I feel much better. Okay, so what is going on? I needed all of these things. The ones that are decoration, I'll decorate later. First, we'll need white bread. Then after white bread, we'll need this apple. An apple. Some of this, let me just cut it out. Add some barbecue, and there you go. That's how brownie and juicy it looks. There we go. Then some delicious cheese from Italy. It's Parmesan. Then a donut. Egg. Oh yeah, egg. But after that, I'm gonna put in like some toaster. Then after egg, I need the recipe. Okay. After egg is fish. Then after fish is grapes. A little bit of hot sauce. Just gonna add a little teeny bit. Then some Italian meat pasta. The gummy. Kale. The lemon. Mortadella. Let me just open this one up. My nerds. Just shush. Then after nerd was orange, right? Orange. Need to cut my orange. There we go. My orange is here. Then after that is pickles, my favorite. Some of this greeny stuff. Don't know what it is. It's like that kind of sliced. Then the rice, some salt. Wait. Some salt, and then a tomato. Need to wash the tomato first. Can make it dirty. Okay. Put it on top. Then my beautiful butter, just gonna cut it up. There we go. Then I need to put my vinegar. No, my vinegar. That's my vinegar. Just put some vinegar. No! It's vinegar, you guys. And then, after that is... Wait, what happened? Oh, there we go. Then some white bread. And then what else? Oh yeah, I have one here. Then I have... Oh yeah, Mommy, I have one more thing to tell you. Yeah, what is it, honey? It's a surprise, you know? In my, A to Z sandwich, for X, nothing. What? Yeah, nothing. I thought of it. It's really, really funny. I mean X. X means no. No. Go check in Google if you don't believe me. Mommy, you think always this smart. Let me just eat this piece of... No, wow, it's fake. Ew, it's so disgusting. Ugh, whatever, I'm just gonna weed. Anyway, I'm just gonna get her type of sandwich. A to Z. And, like you said, X means no, and just gonna put that there. The chocolate cocoa, mix it up. Okay, just gonna add that there. And then, after, yeah, I added yogurt, so delicious. Nobody knows. And the last one is bread. White bread. Let me just put all of that there. Okay, now let's give to Maria. Maria! Yes, Mommy! Do you know what is for Z, honey? I know. Where's that paper? No, there's no paper. It was written Z and. Z and! No more. Okay, now that is my sandwich? Yup. It looks so good and delicious. Mommy, can I have one? I want this. No, it's mine! No! How dare you get my sandwich! Whatever. I'm just it's coffee. But whatever. Bye, gotta go. No, my sandwich! My sandwich! Calm down. It's not the end of the world. It is for me. I need to go get my sandwich. Go get my sandwich. Give me my sandwich. Nuh-uh. Whee! Daddy, help me. What do you need? Hide me! Okay. Thank you. Whatever. She doesn't. No. She doesn't. I hide it. Whatever. Nobody knows. I'm just a child. Yeah. Yeah, I need to hide. Wait, maybe we'll have one. Daddy! Yes, honey? Where is Jacob? I have no idea. Tell me. I know that you were talking to someone. You were talking to someone just now. I heard it. I'm not deaf. I'm not blind. Where is he? Now! I don't know. Huh? Whatever. Gotta go up. She's gone. Okay, that was kind of weird. Yeah, it was. I need to go get my sandwich. Just checking if she... Yeah! That's it! You go to the elevator! Walk you! I need to walk! I need a key! You stay there forever! I don't care! Me don't care! Me needs my sandwich! Goodbye, Uja. That was a little... Don't tell anything to me! Okay. Mom! My sandwich! All of it is gone! Oh yeah, and I also want a brown bread.